To do a foundation half double crochet, we need to start with a slip knot. Chain 2 to get things going. And then, like you would for doing this half double crochet, we need to yarn over and then put your hook through the first chain, pull through a loop. So we've got the 3 loops for the half double crochet, but we want to actually make a chain at the base first before we pull through the 3 loops to make the half double crochet. So we've got a chain at the bottom, the top of the stitch. So let's watch that again. Start a half double crochet as usual. This time we're picking up the chain, so we go through both loops of the chain. Ignore the tail. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn over and just make a chain at the base. And then yarn over, pull through all 3 loops to make the half double crochet. Make the chain, make the stitch. Yarn over, go through both loops of the chain. Yarn over, 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 to make a chain. And then yarn over, pull through all 3 to make the stitch. So this is the chain at the bottom and this is the top of the stitch.